Morning all. This is a mechanical workshop. In this workshop, three sections available. One is machine section, second is welding section, third is fitting section. This is the welding section. In this section, you know how to done the welding. Okay. Before welding, you know the work. Work is two types. First is change the shape of material. Second is joint. Again, joint is three types. First is temporary joint. Second is semi-permanent joint. Third is permanent joint. Okay. First is temporary joint. In temporary joint, if you try to separate the parts of metal, then easily open and rejoin again. Example, pen and cap. In pen and cap, if you try to separate the parts of joint, then easily cap open and again if you try to close, then again joint. Okay, and knot on bolt. Knot and bolt. एवरी बाइक का व्हील जब खुलते हैं नॉट एंड बोल्ट खुलने से वो खुल जाता है. अगेन रिपेयरिंग करके जब अटैच किया जाता है जॉइंट हो जाता है. दैट इज द टेम्पररी जॉइंट. ओके. देन सेमी परमानेंट जॉइंट. इन सेमी परमानेंट जॉइंट इफ यू ट्राई टू सेपरेट द पार्ट्स ऑफ जॉइंट, वन पार्ट इज डैमेज एंड अनदर पार्ट इज shape. Example, riveting joint, brazing and soldering. That type joint is called semi-permanent joint. In the semi-permanent joint, one part damage and another part shape. Then permanent joint. In permanent joint, if you try to separate the parts of joint, easily not open. If you try forcefully, then both parts are damaged. That is the permanent joint. Example, welding joint. If you try to separate the parts of welding joint, easily not open. If you forcefully separate it, then both parts are damaged. ब्रेक हो जाएगा, इस साइड ब्रेक हो जाएगा और इस साइड, देन मदर मेटल नहीं मिलेगा. दैट इज द परमानेंट जॉइंट. ओके. देन अगेन वेल्डिंग जॉइंट हैव फोर टाइप्स. ओके. वन इज बॉड जॉइंट, सेकंड इज ओवरलैपिंग जॉइंट, थर्ड इज कॉर्नर जॉइंट, फोर्थ इज टी जॉइंट. व्हिच है बॉड जॉइंट? If two parts of metal, this is a metal, suppose two parts of metal placed nearly touching their edge and holding gap of the joint, then this type joint is called butt joint. Okay. Then second joint, overlap joint. If two parts of metal overlap each other and holding this position and this position. Okay. This type joint is called overlap joint or lap joint. Then corner joint. Third joint is corner joint. In corner joint, if you place the two pieces of metal nearly touching their edge and creating some angle above 0 degree and below 180 degree. This is the corner joint. If you place in 0 degree, then what happens? This is the overlap joint. Okay. If you place in 180 degree, then what happens? This is the butt joint. Okay. So corner joint is above 0 degree and below 180 degree. Okay, then T joint. In T joint, one parts of edge and another parts of body touch in 90 degree or related to 90 degree. ऐसे होने भी चलेगा, ऐसे होने से भी चलेगा. Okay, but one parts of body and another parts of edge joint होना चाहिए. This is the T joint. Okay, these are the four types of holding joint. Then holding जो जॉइंट में होता है वो डिफरेंस टाइप है. क्या है? V joint, V holding. Suppose this is the board joint. You done the board joint. Then what happen? You prepare the edge of material V shape. ऐसे दिखाई देगा. ओके, V shape दिखाई देगा. This type joint is called V holding. Okay, V holding joint. Then U. Suppose U shape दिखाई देगा ए एज का. ओके, तो that is called U shape holding joint. Then zigzag shape. ऐसे बहुत सारा होल्डिंग जॉइंट होल्डिंग होता है. ओके, देन पोजीशन. एवरी जॉइंट है 5 पोजीशन. एवरी जॉइंट है 5 पोजीशन. फर्स्ट इज फ्लैट पोजीशन, सेकंड इज इंक्लाइंड पोजीशन, थर्ड इज वर्टिकल पोजीशन, फोर्थ इज हॉरिजॉन्टल पोजीशन एंड फिफ्थ इज overhead position. Suppose this is the board joint. Okay, two parts joint in middle position, so it's called board joint. If we place the job on the table, suppose my palm is a table, on the table and done the job over of the head, over of the job. Okay, this position is called flat position. Okay, and if the holding position inclined, if the holding position inclined through the ground or table and down the holding below to top. Okay, this type position is called inclined position. And if holding position 90 degree through the ground, 90 degree through the ground and down the holding below to top, this type position is called vertical position. Okay, and if holding position is parallel through the ground and down the holding left to right or right to left. Okay, this type position is called horizontal position. And if holding position is over of your head and down the holding below the holding job, okay, that type position is called overhead position. This way you know 5 types of holding position. Now you know which type of tools and machine used in the holding shop. Okay, now we know which type of machine and which type of tools used inside the holding section. Okay, first is holding transformer. Holding transformer are 2 types. One is AC type, second is DC type. In AC transformer, you connect the supply, AC supply, changing your polarity. But in DC transformer, you connect the DC supply properly, where connect the positive and negative properly you connect. नहीं तो क्या होगा, may be chance to damage the machine. Okay, then tools, different tools used inside the welding section. First is screen, face shield. Okay, face shield, that is the protect your eye and face. Okay, and black goggles, this is the black goggles. If you working inside the welding section, then you use the black goggles to protect your eye. Okay, then hacksaw, it is used to cutting purpose to the metal. Then file, this is the polish to the metal, it is used to polish the metal. Okay, this is the flat file. You know different type of file in the fitting section. You only know work of the file. Okay, it is used to remove the small particles from the metal surface and polish it. Okay, this is the scriber. Okay, it is used to scribe or marking on the metal surface. Then this is the tri-square. It is used to check the 90 degree of the metal. कोई metal का corner 90 degree properly or not, you check by these tools. Okay, you know this type of tools you find every kitchen. Okay, it is used to hold the hot instrument. Okay, this is the hammer, its name is chipping hammer. Hammer are 6 type. You know other hammers in the fitting section. In the welding section, hammer is chipping hammer. Okay, you see this side is nail type and this side is flat type, and its handle also metal body. Okay, it is used to remove the slag from the welding surface after welding. Okay, this is the wire brush. It is used to remove the dust or clean the surface of the metal. This is the gas opener key. When you open the gas by using this key, you open the gas regulator. Okay, this is the spark lighter. When you create the flame of the gas, then you sparking this lighter create the flame. Okay, then this is the steel rule. You know about scale. You see the small scale, long only 1 feet, but this is the 4 feet or 4 feet long scale, steel scale, or it is you call steel rule. Okay, you call it steel rule. It is used to measure the distance of the metal or help to draw the straight line on the surface of the metal. Okay. Now it is also measuring tools. It's called flexible measuring tools. Its length up to 3 meters. Then gloves. This is the leather hand gloves. When you done the holding or hold the holding job, at that time you use these leather hand gloves to protect your palm. Okay, and this is the leather apron. When you done the holding, at that time you shape your body by this covering your front side. Okay, and in the workshop you use this type of apron, cotton apron, when you physically done the job in the workshop. Okay. And this is the electrode holder. This is the electrode holder. By this holder you done the holding. In this holder you connect the electrode. This is the electrode. Okay, ये electrode इसे connect करोगे and holding करोगे. जहाँ holding करोगे मेटल को इसे holding करना है. देन ये जो वायर है इसको बोलते हैं होल्डिंग केबल. ओके, होल्डिंग केबल इनसाइड कॉपर एंड आउटसाइड हेवी कवर, प्लास्टिक कवर और रबर कवर. ओके, देन इलेक्ट्रोड आर टू टाइप्स. You see, ये दोनों इलेक्ट्रोड है. This electrode used to electric arc welding and this electrode used to gas welding. Okay, this is the coated electrode. You see, this is the core wire of the electrode and over of the electrode some coated just like cement. ओके, सीमेंट कोटेड जैसे दिखाई दे रहा है. दैट इज नॉट ए सीमेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्लॉक्स. ओके, ये फ्लॉक्स क्यों यूज होता है? ओवर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोड, फ्लॉक्स यूज टू प्रोटेक्ट द कोर वायर फ्रॉम रोस्ट एंड इंक्रीज द टेम्परेचर सराउंडिंग द होल्डिंग जोन. Third, it is protect the outside oxygen surrounding the holding zone to create the carbon. Okay, and this is the beer electrode. It is used to filling gap of the metal in gas holding. Okay, due to filling the gap of the metal, so we call it filler rod. So we call it other name filler rod. So this is the electrode and this is the filler rod. Okay, electrode used in the arc welding and filler rod used in gas welding. Okay, these are the different type of tools used inside the holding section. Now you know what is holding. Holding is a process of joining two similar or dissimilar ferrous metal by applying heat or pressure and adding same type of filler metal. Filler metal means electrode. Then it is become homogeneous metal. That means mother metal and holding position is same. Okay, that is called holding. Okay, then principle of holding. होल्डिंग का प्रिंसिपल क्या है? इट इज द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज कन्वर्ट, AC इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कन्वर्ट टू द हीट एनर्जी. दैट हीट एनर्जी क्रिएट अप टू 3600 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टू 4000 डिग्री centigrade. That heat help to melt the edge of the metal. That heat help to melt edge the metal. Okay, and we by electrode fill the gap of the metal and joint. That is the principle of welding. Okay, then accessories of the welding I tell you before the section. First is wire brush, steel rule, scriber, tri-square, hammer, hacksaw, power saw, hand screen, black augers, chipping hammer, leather hand gloves, etc. Okay, then to defect of the welding. After welding, you see different type of defect of the welding. Okay, after welding you see the surface of the welding. You see some particle, this type of particle fall on the surface of the metal. That is the sputter. That is one type of defect. Sputter create. Okay, why sputter create? If when you done the welding, at that time arc length is high, that means above 4 mm. हाई आर्क लेंथ में वेल्डिंग करोगे तो क्या होगा? स्पटर क्रिएट होगा, वेल्डिंग अच्छा से नहीं होगा. ओके, दैट इज द स्पटर क्रिएट डिफेक्ट. ओके, सम वेल्डिंग you see type of hole create in the welding position. You see in this position of the welding one hole create. This is the blowhole. This is the blowhole. Okay, why create the blowhole? If you done the welding in short arc or low current, suppose metal thickness is 5 mm, so your current or ampere wanted 120 to 160 ampere. If you done in below 120 ampere or 100 ampere, then what happened? Properly metal could not melt in 100 ampere because it's wanted 120 to 160 ampere. You done the welding 100 ampere, so temperature properly do not create. So at that place what happen? At first flux, ये इलेक्ट्रोड का आउटसाइड में जो फ्लक्स होता है एट फर्स्ट डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा वो पोजीशन में. देन व्हाट हैपन? व्हेन यू complete the holding and clean the holding place. At that time you fill a hole in holding position. Okay, so blowhole created due to low earth or low current. Okay, then overlapping create in holding position by default of operator. You see this position of holding overlap. Okay, overlap create by repeating holding in a one position. That is the overlap. Okay, overlap कैसे होगा? Suppose holding speed, you know holding speed in 3 minutes move to 1 meter. In 3 minutes move to 1 meter. Suppose holding speed उससे कम हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा ना, वन पोजीशन में होल्डिंग रिपीटेबल होगा. ओके, तो इन दैट पोजीशन क्रिएट द ओवरलैपिंग. ओके, देन अंडरकट create if the holding temperature or ampere high and metal thickness low. In that case undercut create. Here also you see the undercut side of the holding. Pinhole. What is pinhole? Pinhole you do not visible in naked eye. Pinhole create inside of the holding. ओके, जहाँ होल्डिंग होता है वो होल्डिंग के अंदर में पिन होल क्रिएट होता है. हाउ क्रिएट द पिन होल? पिन होल क्रिएट इफ यू डन द होल्डिंग विदाउट क्लीन द मेटल को अच्छा से क्लीन नहीं करोगे एंड होल्डिंग करोगे. देन व्हाट हैपन? रोस्टी मेटल आफ्टर होल्डिंग हाइड्रोजन वेनिश हो जाएगा, बट ऑक्सीजन क्या होगा, इनसाइड में वो गैप होकर रह जाएगा. जैसे एक कांच ग्लास में देखो तो क्या होता है ना, एयर बबल जैसा रहता है. यस और नॉट? दैट इज द पिन होल ऑफ द ग्लास. ऐसे ही होल्डिंग में पिन होल क्रिएट होता है, इनसाइड में क्रिएट होता है. इफ यू स्कैन द होल्डिंग बीड, होल्डिंग बीड को तुम स्कैन करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा? पिन होल दिखाई देगा. जैसे बॉडी का एक्सरे होता है, बॉडी के अंदर क्या क्या होता है एक्सरे करने पर मालूम होता है. ऐसे ही इसको एक्सरे करोगे और स्कैन करोगे तो वो पिन होल डिटेक्ट होगा. ओके, अच्छा. देन अदर एक डिफेक्ट है कैविटी ऑफ द होल्डिंग बीड. व्हेन यू कंप्लीट द जॉब एट दैट टाइम यू स्टॉप द होल्डिंग. इन दैट प्लेस कैविटी इज क्रिएट. ओके, कैविटी कैसे क्रिएट होता है? जैसे एक भिजा हुआ मिट्टी में तुम थॉम्स में प्रेस करोगे तो एक मार्क आएगा. ओके, ऐसे ही दिखाई देगा एंड पोजीशन ऑफ द होल्डिंग. देखो एंड पोजीशन में दिखाई दे रहा है थॉम्स मार्क जैसा. ओके, वो पोजीशन में जो वो मार्क है वो है कैविटी. ओके, बट कैविटी इज नॉट ए डिफेक्ट. but we call it defect. Why? If cavity created in middle position of the holding, suppose this is the holding bed, if cavity created in middle position of the holding, then that is the defect. If cavity created in last or end position of the holding, that is not a defect. Why cavity create? If when you done the holding, suddenly arc length suddenly high हो जाएगा. At that time create the cavity. Okay. When you stop the holding, you disconnect the electrode from the holding position. Then what happens? Suddenly high the arc length. So at that place cavity is created. Okay. This is the defect of the holding. Okay. Now we know technique of the holding. This is the holding transformer. Okay. First set the transformer. I see you. This is the back side of the transformer. In the back side of the transformer, 4 stored available. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If at first you choose which type of supply to the transformer, 220 volt or 440 volt. If you supply 220 volt, then you this type of connection set from 1 to stored short by a wire. Then 3 or 4 conduct or stored connect by a wire, and from 1 and from 4 2 wire outlet, one is positive and another is negative supply by the source. Okay. If you connect this machine by 440 supply, then how to set 2 and 3 stored connect or short by a conduct. Then from 1 and from 4 2 wire outlet, 2 wire 2 phase. This is also 1 phase, this is also 1 phase. 2 phase connect from supply. Okay. In this way you set the machine. Then you outlet from the machine which ampere. Okay. You see front side of the machine, 8 stored available. One is A, B, C, D, that is the holder section. Second is 1, 2, 3, 4, that is the arc section. Okay. If you connect or if you wanted 200 ampere, you see this is the table of the holding setting, which ampere you wanted, you set by this set box. Okay. If you wanted 200 ampere, okay, then how can you set it? The holder set in C stored, holder set in C stored. Okay. And earthing wire connect in one position, one stored. Okay. C1 कनेक्ट करने से क्या होगा, आउटपुट 200 एम्पियर आउट होगा. इफ यू आर वांटेड 180 एम्पियर, then how can you set it? Holder you set in B and arc you connect in 4. Okay, in this way you find the different ampere of the machine. Okay, then 2 wire you see in this machine, connect 3D. This is the arc section 1 2 3 4. This is the holder section A B C D. Here connect the wire 3D. That means in 3D 325 ampere outlet from the machine. Okay, now start the machine. This is the supply switchboard. Okay, now start the machine. After start the machine, then what happen? Tube supply come from the machine. This is the holder section and this is the earthing section. Okay, from earthing section 1 2 3 4. That means from 3 connect to the table. This is the earthing clamp. Okay, you see the earthing clamp in your manual figure. This is the manual earthing clamp that is not properly. Okay, you see the earthing clamp figure in your manual. Okay, and this is the holding cable. This holding cable made by metal because earthing supply to the table, and if the metal you place on the table, then what happens? This metal also charged by earth. Okay, and this is the holder. Holder connect from ABCD, from D to connect holder. Then we connect the electrode in holder. In this way we connect the electrode. Okay, then tip of the electrode, which pole? Holder pole or anode pole. Okay, then what happens? Anode pole, when we touch the cathode pole or arc, then what happens? Spark create. Okay, I show you. Now I place the job on the table. Now holding machine is start. You touch the holding table. You do not feel any shock, but here available cathode charge. Okay, now I touch the holder. Again I do not feel any shock. Okay, because it is a anode point. Anode and cathode you read in the 9 or 10 class. Okay, 2 पोल एनोड एंड कैथोड जब क्या होता है, टॉर्च होता है, स्पार्क होता है एंड क्रिएट द टेम्परेचर और हीट एंड ट्राई टू अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर. ओके, ट्राई टू अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर बाय मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. ओके, नाउ आई टच द एनोड पोल और होल्डर टू द कैथोड पोल or job is a cathode pole and electrode tip of is a anode pole. Okay, then what again? Spark create. Okay, and after spark create, holding operation done. Okay, then I tell you perfectly. Suppose this is the job and this is the table of the metal table, holding table. Okay, now I place the job on the table. What happened? The job is cathode charge, yes or not? Job metal, table metal, and connect from the cathode from the machine to the table. So table charge is cathode, then metal also charge cathode charge. Okay, then this is the electrode holder. It's connect from anode from the machine point, and its tip point of the electrode is anode charge. Now you touch the anode to cathode. What happened? You see before 1 minute. What happened? Spark create and try to attract each other. Try to attract each other. But you do not attract them. If attract और टॉर्च होकर रह जाएगा ज्यादा टाइम, क्या होगा? मे बी शॉर्ट सर्किट इन द मशीन. ओके, बिकॉज इनपुट ऑफ द मशीन एसी सप्लाई. ओके, एसी सप्लाई का पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव जब शॉर्ट हो जाते हैं क्या होता है? शॉर्ट सर्किट हो जाता है एंड मे बी डैमेज टू द मशीन or transformer. So at first you touch the anode point to the cathode smoothly, and what happened? Create spark and try to attract each other, but you do not attract them. You try to maintain the distance 2 to 5 mm. You try to maintain the distance 2 to 5 mm. Then that distance you move the electrode from the job surface and holding operation automatically done. Okay, that R gap 2 to 5 mm जो R gap है, that R gap is 3 types. One is long arc, second is short arc, third is medium arc. Okay, in short arc you do not done holding properly because at that position the temperature very low, so could not melt the edge of the metal, so you cannot done holding properly in this position. Short arc means your arc length is 2 to 5 mm. Short arc means below 2 mm. Suppose distance between metal or job surface and tip of the electrode, if distance is 1 mm or 0.1 mm, that is the short arc. You cannot done in short arc. Okay, then medium arc. In medium arc you done the holding properly 2 to 4 mm distance. Then high arc, long arc. In long arc you do not done the holding properly. If you done in long arc holding, then what happen? Sputtering excess and do not join properly after the holding. Okay, then this is the R gap. Okay, so what is the R gap? R gap is the distance between surface of the job to tip of electrode. What is the distance of R gap? R gap distance is 2 to 5 mm. Okay, then arc globe বা arc pull, where you touch the electrode at that position, temperature suddenly create 4000 degree centigrade. You know metal or ferrous metal melting पॉइंट इज मैक्सिमम 14 to 1600 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। तो इसमें भी कितना है, डबल है, डबल से भी ज्यादा है। वन पोजीशन में सडनली क्रिएट होगा। ओके, तो क्रिएट होगा मीन्स दैट पोजीशन जस्ट लाइक ए कोन, ऐसे ही क्रिएट होगा। दैट इज कॉल्ड होल्डिंग पोन। ओके,
थैंक यू सो मच।